my name's Jill Hart, owner of Silver Pathways Consulting. I design customized housing transition plans for seniors, and then I provide the support they need to help them complete that plan. I do that through life coaching, project management, real estate brokerage, and organizing. Seniors are my people, and I saw a need in our local community for support for people who wanted to make a voluntary move, maybe closer to family. And I saw an even greater need for families who had to step in and help their parents transition in the midst of a crisis. I also saw a need for out-of-state executors that needed help cleaning out and selling a home as part of an estate. A senior move is often an emotional decision, and there are benefits of having the guidance of someone like me who knows how to navigate the process successfully. I know firsthand how stressful and chaotic a senior move can be because I watched my parents move my grandmother into our home after the unexpected death of my grandfather, probably 35 years ago. And I've assisted my own parents in a move to a senior community after my father's health began to decline. So over the years, I've helped hundreds of people transition in good times and bad. And my experience as a life coach, a project manager, real estate broker, and professional organizer, I can help my clients focus and feel confident about their decisions and their path forward. I've helped clients in every stage of the process, from making the decision on where and when to move to actually hands-on making the bed and setting up their coffee pot after they're in their new spot. So reach out today to find out how I can help you or your family member or your client. I look forward to hearing from you, and take care.